Greetings! Today I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to install Acrobat Reader DC, which stands for Document Cloud. To get started, let's go to Google Search and type in Download Acrobat Reader. And then click the correct suggestion. In the search results, we're going to want to click the Adobe Acrobat Reader DC download. I'll put a direct link to this in our description of this video. On the download page, it will automatically detect your operating system and give you an option to install the Acrobat Reader Chrome extension, which will allow you to run PDFs in the browser. You also see a couple optional offers from McAfee. I personally don't select these as I already have an antivirus installed, but if you don't, you may want to add these. And now all we need to do is select the Download Acrobat Reader button. This will download the installer to the browser. Click on the downloaded file and select Run. This will start the install process. The installation time can vary depending on your PC. Acrobat Reader is now installed. On Windows 10, when you first launch Acrobat Reader, it will give you an option to choose the default application for running PDFs. So let's show you how that is done. So click Yes when this pop-up comes. And then on this window, we're going to want to click the Continue, which will bring up another window, pop up here. This is where we can associate which application to launch PDFs. So we're going to click Change and then select the Adobe Acrobat Reader DC and apply. Click OK. And that should be it. So anytime you open a PDF, it will open it up in Acrobat Reader DC. There you go. If you found this video useful, please click subscribe.